Look at all that down. It's way down there. Don't know if you can see the depths. When I was a little girl, it was all mines round here. Did a lot of mining in this park. Down there. Don't know if you can see the depths, but some weird noises. Are they chickens? It's owls. Oh my God, did you hear that? Huh. I can't believe that. Over there in the distance, you won't be able to see it. Go on, zoom in on it. Very deep though. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like they're getting jiggy with it. Not jiggying about in this weather. Bloody pigeons never stop. And up there, it's like they used to have horses, was it? No, it was like a thing. They used to roll down mountains with the coal in, and there was one man controlling it. One control, left or right. And I think they had a Bible as well, because they bloody needed it. God, the poor tarts. It's very dangerous, the way they used to get coal from up top to down bottom. I don't know if it's here, but... Ah, that's the train. But that other thing was definitely not the train, that was the owls. Oh, beautiful, so the train's back. Post-COVID exemptions. Whatever that sound means, it sounds Martian to me. Look at that. Mother flumper. That is up. That is way down. So it's like it used to be a bloody mountain, with now it's got a road in the middle. Just a normal Leeds road. Okay. Look at the trees. Isn't that pretty? And the silence, that's even clearer. This is a not quite so pretty thing, because they've got these things here. Got a squirrel in the distance. I think I've had enough of squirrels. I don't know what that is. Another crater. But they've got these big rocks, which, how would you explain the history of Middleton Park and things what happened here, innit? But someone's had it away with that or something. And that's not ours, mating. This girl screaming. Oh, it's a dog just jumped up at her. Look at that. Handsome.